Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by getting power and connection ready. Make sure the AirPods and case hold charge. Look at the case LED or battery widget so you don't mid-process. Once the device is unlocked, turn Bluetooth on and keep the AirPods case open near the device to trigger pairing. If they don't appear, press the case button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. This initial step saves time and prevents repeated disconnects when you begin using them. Once paired, you'll customize how they behave so daily use is seamless. Go to Bluetooth settings and assign left and right press or squeeze functions. Play /pause, next track, or voice assistant so you don't fumble. Make sure to set noise control modes. Choose noise cancellation for noisy environments or transparency to hear announcements. Also enable automatic ear detection and confirm which device handles audio handoff. This prevents audio from playing on the wrong device when you switch gadgets. Use your AirPods by placing them in ears and checking active mode. Double-check volume and mic input in calls. For maintenance, always return them to the case to preserve battery life and periodically clean earbuds and case contacts to avoid grime-related problems. If connection or audio quality falters, reset the pairing by holding the case button until the LED flashes, then repair. This often clears firmware or pairing glitches. If problems persist, test with another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.